Welcome viewers to our channel. In this informative video you will learn all the most important aspects of 1xBet betting company. You will also find a link to 1xBet betting company under the video, which gives you 100% interest on your deposit and promo code BRAVE23 which gives you another 30% interest. So you get 130% interest on your deposit at your complete disposal. The international bookmaker 1xBet is one of the leaders of the betting market. The official site contains not only sports, but also sections of casino and other gambling games, which are presented in a variety. The main feature of this bookmaker is the huge selection of events, both sports and non-sports, on which you can bet. There is also a great bonus program for new and already registered players. The site of 1xBet Bookmaker's office is made in the corporate blue and white colors. The interface is intuitive. It is easy to understand and start betting. A registered player can independently decide how to bet on 1xBet, in pre-match or in live mode. In the first case, the player bets on future games, which will take place within a period of 1 day to several months. In the second case, bets need to be placed on matches that have already started. In order to take advantage of all this, it is necessary to register. Clicking on the registration button, we are already offered 4 options how we can register. First, in one click, you specify the country. Be sure to choose your currency, because the bonus is converted to your amount, and enter promotional code BRAVE23, which you already see on the screen. Select sports or casino bonus, and click register. If you go to second option, register by phone, you will have to enter your phone number. Also you have to choose currency. Enter promo code BRAVE23, and then you will need a code which will come to your phone number. Then pay attention to the bonus, and that's it, you are registered. Let's move on to the option of registration by mail. This is a little more complicated and longer, but we recommend it. You enter your country, region, city where you live, and only then choose the currency. Then you enter your mail, your phone number, your first and last name. Most importantly, the password and the obligatory paragraph, promo code BRAVE23, which you see on the screen right now, as well as your choice of whether you want the casino bonus or the sports bonus. And we're left with the last option, which is the ability to sign up via social networks or messengers. Here, it's quite simple. You choose your network option and just wait for all your data to come up. Then just choose the currency and your country. Then you are again free to choose whether your bonus goes to casinos or sports. The rules of the bonus and other promotions you can read on the site itself, but as for the deposit and withdrawal of funds, the 1xBet Bookmaker company offers a huge choice of ways to deposit your gaming account. We were happy to tell you about 1xBet, quick payouts and big winnings.